Lesson 2. Bonding and molar calculations. Now we will look at how atoms connect and how to measure them. Ionic bonding typically forms when a metal atom transfers electrons to a nonmetal atom. The metals lose electrons to become cations, and the nonmetals gain them to become anions. These are held together by electrostatic attraction. On the other hand, you have giant covalent structures. Diamond is a prime example of a giant covalent network made entirely of carbon atoms, whereas substances like sodium chloride are ionic and methane is simple molecular. Once elements bond to form compounds, you will need to calculate their relative formula mass, or MR. For carbon dioxide, you take the relative atomic mass of carbon, which is 12, and add 2 times the atomic mass of oxygen, which is 16, giving a total of 44. When doing chemical calculations, we use moles. 1 mole of any substance contains the Avogadro constant, which is approximately 6.022 times 10 to the power of 23 particles. If you have 18 grams of water, which has a relative formula mass of 18, you simply divide the mass by the formula mass to find you have exactly 1.0 moles of water. Furthermore, when you are working with gases at room temperature and pressure, the NEED NSSCO Chemistry syllabus specifies that the molar gas volume is 24 cubic decimeters. Understanding these quantities is essential for solving chemical formulas.